Telecom providers are determined to make the most of the agentic era, an era of ultra-personalized experiences and fully autonomous operations. On their journey to become AI-driven, telcos are adjusting their data strategies, setting clear business and operational KPIs. This is where Amdocs amAIz suite comes into play. A modular AI solution built specifically for telcos, offering a risk-free and value-focused approach, pluggable to any data and AI ecosystem. Let's see what's inside. The AI and data platform can be plugged in as part of any data mesh architecture and act as a telco data fabric, creating a unified telecom-specific model, ensuring data is accessible in real time for upstream AI and GenAI applications, all while ensuring data freshness and cost-effective data management. The Generative AI platform connects to data endpoints and any GenAI foundation models to construct a GenAI engine enriched with telco skills. It ensures trust, security, accuracy, and token optimization to minimize cost and improve latency and efficiency. While enriching Amdocs BSS OSS products with embedded AI and GenAI capabilities, amAIz also includes standalone applications independent of the underlying data and AI ecosystem. Customer Experience Insights is a powerful tool to proactively identify and address key experience drivers and provide actionable recommendations to ultimately reduce churn and boost customer satisfaction. amAIz agents are a set of autonomous GenAI agents that can be used across the entire telco ecosystem, from boosting care and commerce customer interactions to accelerating back-end workflows to streamline operations and save costs. Wherever you are on your data journey, and whatever your business requirements may be, amAIz, together with Amdocs data and AI services, are designed to easily plug in and help you unleash the full power of your data. Amdocs amAIz suite, powering the AI-driven telco.
Amazing.